Hey, it's Matt with McGee Farms. We're back at the zip line. We got the kids with us today, as you can see from all the ATVs, and we're about to have some zip line fun.
Oh, gee. Go! What on earth are you doing? Come on, tight. I'll be trying to grab you. Stand up. See how you're standing? Now you can kind of walk off yourself. You ready? Gosh, Ben, let him hit the spring a little. Well, they're coming at 1,000,000 miles an hour.
Coming!
I'm not going to touch it. Uh-oh, watch out, Albie. Okay.
He says woo!
Now I'm going to make sure this thing clears over here.
You ready, Isabel?
You can make sure it clears. I noticed this little guy likes to catch that. I'm going to cut it off. You good?
I go after Red. That was on me. No, I go